Welcome to Mars Tech Nepal. Today, I'm going to show one useful AI tools for text-to-speech for free. Let go, guys.
Go to Chrome browser and enter keywords 11labs.io. Just go to Sign Up button and sign up using Gmail account. I have already signed up using Gmail. And also subscribed free one. For more, go to VoiceLab tab and click Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Click Voice Design. Then select Gender, Age, Accent, according to your choice, and then click Generate. Your voiceover is ready.
First we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter.
Next, go to Voice Library. You will find out various options of voice. And there are many voice according to the category. And also, you can add the voice on VoiceLab by clicking on Add to VoiceLab for future use.
These all video are made by using AI. Be tech-oriented. Thank you for watching.